Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button. You can navigate through menus using the up and down buttons and select options with the GPS button. The menu button provides access to activity tracking, settings, and other essential functions, making it simple to get started with your outdoor adventures right away. A key feature of your Instinct 2X Solar is its impressive solar charging capability. The Power Glass lens efficiently converts sunlight, significantly extending your battery life. You can monitor solar intensity directly on the watch face. With adequate solar exposure, you can achieve up to 40 days of battery in smartwatch mode, or even unlimited battery in battery saver mode, ensuring your device is always ready for your next expedition. The Instinct 2X Solar is built for adventure, offering over 30 preloaded sports apps for activities like running, hiking, and swimming. It also provides comprehensive health monitoring, including continuous heart rate tracking, advanced sleep analysis, and stress level insights. For outdoor navigation, rely on the built-in ABC sensors, an altimeter for elevation data, a barometer for weather changes, and a 3-axis electronic compass to keep you oriented. Personalize your Garmin Instinct 2X Solar to fit your lifestyle. You can easily customize watch faces, data fields, and widgets to display the information most important to you. Stay connected with smart notifications delivered right to your wrist when paired with a compatible smartphone. Additionally, explore convenient features like Garmin Pay for contactless payments and safety tracking, providing peace of mind during your activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.